Spider here to unbox the iPad mini. As you can see here, the iPad mini. The white version, 64 gigabytes. So let's open the box. I like to keep the box with the plastic, so it's like kind of, I don't know, it's my own option. The top part with the plastic, just only the top part. And so the unboxers, they prefer to. So this is Christmas, and well, you know, Christmas gift. So I got this for Christmas. Now that we got the iPad mini, take out the box. Well, it's very packaged, so you'll not worry about the packaging and imagine about take some damage. And there is take the support, and we got the iPad mini. As you can see here, the iPad mini, and we take now the iPad. As you can see, there's the iPad mini. Take out the iPad, and now the box. The box, as you know, all Apple boxes come with this thingy. It's like the designed by Apple California. You open this. Open it. You get a pin for the 3G. This is a 3G version, so you get a pin for the LTE 3G cellular data. You get the pin, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, and how to take it out. The iPad mini booklet, the iPad info, some cool stickers, the iPad info, and this is a little booklet about like learn more about the iPad. The like I don't know how it's called, this one. What is the new cable? I'm sorry, I don't know the new name. It's this one's. Apparently no earpods. New earpods. New for iPad, this small connector as the small adapter, like a iPhone 4S. And if there's more in the box, I will see. Nope. Apparently no more in the box. No earpods. That's kind of sad. But now this is apparently charged. The iPad, as you can see at the back, new backing. iPad new backing, new back part. Now with your this, take it. Sport out. And there's the iPad mini ready for use. Oh wait. Turn this on. The first boot is kind of slow. You can hold it in your hand, just one hand. There is the boot. You got the boot iPad. I don't know if it's mirrored or not. I don't know. It's iPad. You open it. This is not a Retina display. Retina. I don't know. A Retina display. So this is the same resolution as the iPad 2. And so thank you guys. This is it for today with the iPad mini. So please rate, like, and subscribe to my new channel, to my main channel, Like a Spider, and to my second channel, Like a Spider 2. I do more unboxings, speed arts, and more to come instead of like video games. Check out my first channel and my second channel. Thank you guys. Thank you. subscribe.